Okay children, so in the last video we saw how to write 5 and 6 digit numbers, and then how to write the place value, expanded form, and the number name of a 5 and 6 digit numbers. Now we are going to do some exercise questions, but before coming into exercise question I would like to give you some notes on place value and face value. I will tell you what is the difference between place value and face value. First note, the place value. What is the definition of a place value? The place value gives you the value of a digit depending on its place in the number. I have already told you we write the place value depending on the place. So, you will see that number, that particular digit is in which place, and then you will write the place value according to the place. Then second note, the place value of 0 is always 0, whether it is in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, doesn't matter, place value of 0 is always 0. Now coming to face value. Face value gives only the value of the digit, that is, see the example 2, 3, 4, 1. You can see the face value of 1 will be 1 itself, face value of 4 will be 4 itself, face value of 3 will be 3 itself, face value of 2 will be 2 itself. So, this is the difference between face value and place value. Place value gives you the value of the digit depending on its place. Face value gives you only the value of the digit. Okay children, we will do some exercise questions. First one. Write in figures. That is, I will be giving you the number name and we will write it in figures. First question. $17,899. This is a number name given to you. You have to write it in figures. You have to be very careful when you are writing in figures. We will be considering the periods. Which are the periods that we have learned? Ones period. Ones period is having 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. Then you have learned the thousands period. Thousand period having 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. And then you have the lakhs period with the lakhs place. So, starting with, you have 17,000, that means 17 is coming in the thousands period, and we know thousands period is having 2 places. So, we need 2 numbers over there. Are we getting 2 numbers? Yes, 17 means it is 17. Okay. So, with this the thousands period is over. So, you will put a comma. Okay. Then next you have the ones period. What is the number given there? 899. 899. So, in the thousands period you have 17. So, you write 1, 7. Then you put a comma. Then you have the ones period. In ones period the number given is 899. Is that clear children? Okay. Question B. One lakh 34,279. Here the number is starting from 1 lakh, that is you having the lakhs period first. What is the number given in the lakhs period? 1. So you will write 1, comma. Next you have the thousands period. It is written as 34,000. So you will write as 34,000, comma. Then you have 279. That comes in the ones period. 279. Clear? In the lakhs period you have 1. So you write 1, comma. 34,000. That is in the thousands period you have 34. So put comma. Then you have in the ones period 279. Clear, children? So you can see. $28,002. Here we are starting with the thousands period. 28. As I told you, thousands period is having 2 places, so there should be 2 numbers. So you have 28. There is no problem here. Next you have the ones period. Ones period is having 3 places. But see what is given to you. They are given you only 2. How can I write 2? How will I write 2? I need 3 digits in the ones period, but I am having only 1 digit, that is 2. Okay, children? See, 2 means 2 comes in the ones place. That means there is no number in the tens and hundreds place. So what we will do there? In that case, we will put 0 in the hundreds and tens place, and then you have 2 that comes in the ones place. So 28,002. How do you read this? 28,002. So children, when you are writing in figures, another important thing that you have to keep in mind, according to the period, check whether do you have the enough number in the question. If you don't have the enough number of digits there, you will fill up that gap with zeros. Clear, children? I will give you 2 questions. You have to do it on your own. So the 2 questions are given you. One is 30,405 and then 3,57,006. So you write the number. If there is any gap, fill up that gap with 0 and put the correct commas. Okay, children? Thank you.